entrance of LIP.
Oh my god.
Lightning in a bottle. I have to still go get my ticket at the will call. But we got car camping, so we're all set with that. My ticket actually got sent to Hawaii, so excited. I got my hair all perked out thanks to Hannah. And I've been doing my homework, trying, kind of stressing.
Not really doing it.
Trying. But yeah, so can't wait to show you guys our experience.
We'll see you soon.
So this is our camp spot. A little room tour for you guys.
Yay!
This is my brother's little crib. And then we got Hannah's and I's. We sleeping good. We about to do a beer bong. All of our food. Plus more. Super stoked! All of our neighbors. We're gonna be out doing some festivities. I don't know for sure if I'm gonna record today because it's not gonna be too big. I want to save more of my storage for the other important days.
Just kind of exploring today,
Yeah.
checking out how it's gonna be.
And then we'll give you some more tomorrow. We'll be looking all
Festive.
all good. So we got our SpongeBob flying in the sky. If you see our SpongeBob,
Flag, come say hi.
well, I mean, they can't come say hi now.
Yeah, they can.
It's not live, so.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they can. Yeah, they can.
They can come in person.
You know it was us. We right here. We out here.
So we're at Coachella, right? At the end of this, I'm sitting there like, this thing is gonna weigh back up, right? Like I'm sitting there making it, and I was like, he's like, wait, you hear that's at Coachella, bro? This guy's sitting out.
So we're here for the official day one. Oh.
Like day two.
Well, this is day two, but it's
Official
officially
day one.
Yes.
We're starting.
And who are we seeing today? I know we're seeing Glitch Mob.
And Grace.
And Grace.
Who was the other
Wait, is
guy?
Grace really sweet? I don't know.
Crane.
Oh, Schlump.
Crane and Schlump.
It's Schlump.
That's what I was thinking.
Pretty
of.
excited.
Oh, good, and we have these. It says the time
Yeah.
today, right?
Yes, that's why I brought this. Have our little handy dandy plan thing. But we're getting ready to go if our other peeps will come along. But we're gonna try to do more activities today, but getting ready always kind of.
We took a long time to get ready. We're gonna have to start getting ready soon. Ready for day 1, 2, whatever day it is? I consider it day 2, but everyone's day 1.
It's
So.
like day 3, right?
Day 3.
It's a real day one.
Day 1,450.
Yeah, who knows?
So yeah, we'll see you when we're in the freaking festival.
Well, they stopped loading people over there. And we were
Lightning in the Bottom 2018. Make some noise for my man Pure Powers one time. You are now rocking with the one and only Swoop. There's no problem.
We're back at camp, chilling like villains. We just saw Schlump and Up the Trees. And then we're gonna go see Grizz. Sophia Tucker. I'm really excited to see Sophia Tucker.
I'm so excited for Sophia Tucker.
I ate some PB&Js. That's honestly, I recommend to bring that to every festival. It is the number one.
You don't know what to bring, you don't know what to eat, it's easy, it's fast.
I went to a festival and that's all I ate. Like literally I just bought PB&Js and it was totally fine. It's so magical. Even though this is my first time and it's only day one, I know I will be going here every year.
For the rest of my life.
I want to bring my mom. I want her to come. She's always just like, no. But I'm like, yeah.
We could sneak her in.
I want to bring my dog. These are our neighbors. Hey.
Hi.
This is a Cheshire Cat.
Hydrating. Yeah, we're hydrating. She got in some warm clothes because it's getting kind of chilly.
It looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, honestly, the weather has been kind of whack. It's been very bipolar. It was sprinkling this morning.
Yeah.
But it hasn't sprinkled again, so I'm really happy about that. And like we wanted to go swimming tomorrow because we got this flamingo.
A really cool flamingo. It has sparkles in it.
Oh, this is supposed to be me and Hannah.
Look, it actually is. That's Dana and that's me.
We haven't been using our phones at all. We lost service completely. I was supposed to do homework and
Failed.
yeah, I've gotten F's probably on everything now because I can't turn anything and everything has to be online.
Teachers, if you see this, know we tried so hard.
We did.
So hard.
We're just so happy. It's such a happy place. And everyone here is very nice. Like
Yeah, they give you a room to dance.
Yeah, the
and
crowd,
stuff.
because you know, like at every festival, they're just kind of all jammed or like.
Or
See,
even
that's
at,
why I
like,
don't
a
like
rave.
rap festivals.
Yeah,
Rave,
I know what you
I mean, festivals are just like, you know, everyone knows, like everyone understands, and like mostly here, because like I feel like other festivals they are a little more cramped, but like here it's like everyone's
it's
open.
It's so like everywhere, like not just like with like dancing and stuff, but like with their minds too. It's just a really like open festival.
Yeah. And it's just like it's so big here, but since it's so big, there's so many people, and it's just like it almost seems small in a way. Like I don't know, it's very back and forth. Like you think it's big because you have to walk everywhere.
Big or if it's small, like I can't even tell if there's things I didn't even see yet.
So when I was watching videos, I wanted to, you know every little thing about Magic Bottle, and that's what I'm trying to kind of do for you guys too. Well, okay, we'll see you soon. We'll probably be in a crowd or adventuring around. We'll see you.
I shake my ass. At the club, I shake my ass.
don't give a fuck about that. At the bar, yeah. Don't you wanna meet me at the lounge? Yeah. Don't you wanna meet me in the club? Yeah. Don't you wanna meet me downtown? Okay. Don't you wanna meet me in the east? Yeah. Don't you wanna meet me in the west? Yeah. Don't you wanna meet me on the block? Yeah. Don't you wanna meet me at the stop? Okay.
Every time you call on me, I drop what I do. You are my best friend and we got some shit to shoot. That's the way it is. That's the way it goes. It's just us two, it seems like the way we
Bye.